The lead capture form is a simple way to collect visitor information right inside a chat. It lives within shortcuts, so it can be used by your AI agent automatically or by your team manually during a conversation. Here's how to create it, edit it, test it, and download the leads it captures. To set it up, you'll create a shortcut and add the lead capture form to it. You can do this in one of two places. Through your settings, click the gear icon, choose Settings, then Shortcuts. Create a new shortcut, then add the lead capture form element. Or through your agent, go to Automations, then Agents, select your agent, open Knowledge, and choose Shortcuts. Again, create a new shortcut and add the lead capture form element. Once it's added, click the pencil icon to edit the form. From here, you can change the fields, add new questions, include single or multiple choice options, add a drop-down, and rearrange the order with up to 10 fields in total. One thing to know, the form is shared across every shortcut that uses it, so any edits you make apply everywhere. When you're done, click Update, then save the shortcut. It's worth testing in the chat preview to make sure the form appears and captures everything correctly. Once it's live, the form gathers details from visitors whenever it's used. All submissions are stored in your dashboard under Reporting, then Leads in the Lead Capture section. Just choose your date range and click the download icon to export everything as a CSV. For more assistance, visit the Talk to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.